going on?
Damn, alright, so we got the Haas guys in here, you know, fixing up our new machine. We got a brand new 5-axis, so we're gonna be running some parts on, primarily some cylinder head porting. Like we're gonna be doing a, an adapter plate for a new Kong LSA blower. Give us a little bit of a bigger plenum to pull from.
What else do you guys plan on making with these machines here?
A lot of stuff. I don't know, like cylinder heads.
Shut the fuck up. We're here bullshitting. Listen, man. What we are here to do is be the greatest in whatever the fuck we're working on. And you're going to see that as a consistent theme because everybody here is a goddamn perfectionist, including Ricky. If you go up there and you look at his first article, Valve Cover, what you're witnessing is greatness in the making. He came here as a goddamn intern. He's leaving here as a goddamn boss. He's an aerospace fucking prodigy. And now we got him on the 5-axis machine. We got a 20-year-old right here that actually owns half of this motherfucker. How many of you got 20-year-olds buying CNC equipment? 0. So come and check this shit out over here. Come on. To say that that's our first CNC product and we're still perfecting the tool path.
Now it's done.
Oh, now it's done.
Yeah.
You hear that? Now it's done. You know what else is going to be done? My damn supercharger shit. We're going to invent the greatest supercharger system ever conceived of, putting all these little aerospace minds and my grandiose goals in a complete focus to the point where it's utterly inevitable. So just keep an eye out for all the things that are happening here. You're going to be seeing monumental breakthrough after breakthrough after breakthrough. And this place will never be the same again. This little logo right here is gonna mean something. You see this shit on a car, you know you're about to come out of pocket.
You look busy.
We could use a bigger piece of wood, bro. Yeah, hooking up some electrical here. We just need to make a bigger hole right here. And couldn't find anybody to let me borrow a pop out, so a punch out. You ever use any peeper savers?
No.
You gotta save your peepers, bro. Peeper savers? Damn, dude.
Oh, the peeper savers. Now I get it. That joke.
Good?
Yeah.
Fire! One more piece of, So check this out. So I had a couple of friends that do a lot of CNC programming teach me about how to set up the carousel, and I forgot to set my tool pocket dimensions, and then I have a shell mill in there, and it's about to touch that center, the big indexable drill that I have. It's close, though. I mean, it's like a couple of I don't know. I'd say it's like a 16th away from. You know what they say, right? Clearance is clearance, right? I mean, me and my 30 years of machining, experience. Yeah. So that one's for a Can-Am Maverick.
But what is it?
Turbo. It's the rear end of the part that holds together all the suspension arms. So eventually we're gonna have some suspension arms, some more holders to kind of go with it. You're gonna be able to put a little baby tow hook on the back of this, so you can put a trailer on it, so you can haul your shit out there into the mountains. So it's be pretty cool. Little off-roading trailer. Yeah, that looks fucking good.
Looks good?
Yeah, I like it, dude.
I like it.
That was a good finish. I mean.
Oh yeah. you up to, bro?
We're about to finish up making some spot drilling and then drilling. That way our drill doesn't walk. I just made like these spot drills so I can drill out where those little bosses are. So the bolt, because that's where the bolt goes through. That bolts it down to the cylinder heads. Oh, let me dump those. So we see in there, you see that little spot drill. With the drill bit I'm gonna use to drill all the way through that, it's not gonna walk. You know what I mean? So we'll be able to get a nice center point on that.
We just finished this one up. This was a flex fuel conversion with bigger fuel injectors. It also had a nasty exhaust leak that I initially thought were the exhaust gaskets at the cylinder head, but it turned out that the headers had some cracks around the flanges where the primary tube attaches. We sent that over to Wes, and him and Ernesto were able to put the hard work in to TIG weld everything back to perfection. Looks better than it did when it came from Cook's. Pretty quick turnaround, you know, and so he's getting ready to be loaded up on our trailer, headed over to high rev dyno tuning. Went ahead, pulled the filter off, cleaned it, re-oiled it. We're gonna go and detail up the engine bay so it's nice and beautiful, look brand new, and we're gonna do that right now. And get this thing on the trailer and send it.
First, we move the forklift. We are at high rev tuning.